The School Kids. SZ. Learn with fun. Hello kids, how are you? Interactive reading activity for beginners. Look at the picture, point at the correct word for each picture. X and apple. Box, bat, bag. Cup, car, cat. Dog, duck, dice. Egg, elf, eye. Fish, fan, frog. Gas, gum, girl. House, hat, horse. Igloo, ink, eel. Juice, jam, jet. Kite, cat, king. Lamp, log, leg. Milk, mat, mug. Nut, neck, net. Oval, onion, ox. Pig, pants, pen. Quillet, quill, queen. Ring, rose, red. 6, sun, sock. 2, tag, tent. Uniform, unicorn, umbrella. Winter, vase, van. Wax, wig, well. Xylophone, X-ray. Yo-yo, jam, yarn. Zoo, zero, zip. Thanks for watching video. Like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.